Hi, good morning guys. Merry Christmas to all of you. तो आज हम क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं? What are we going to learn today? The topic that we are discussing today, it's a short topic. It is to determine how we will know which complex is going to be more stable. Okay, so the stability of coordination compound, that is our concept today. We're going to learn how to decide कि कौन सा ज़्यादा stable होगा. Okay, so factors governing stability क्या क्या है? What are the factors governing stability? There are only two factors which govern the stability of complexes. One is the charge to size ratio of metal ion. Charge to size ratio, इसका मतलब हम बाद में देखते हैं. Charge to size ratio of metal ion, that is one of the factor. The other factor is nature of the ligand. Okay, the nature of the ligand itself is one of the factor governing the stability of the complex compound. So let us see what it means by saying charge to size ratio of metal ion. Charge क्या होता है? So let us see what is the charge on Cu2 plus. The charge on Cu2 plus is +2 या 2 plus, whatever you call it. So it is +2. Charge on Cu2 plus ये आपको दिख ही रहा है यहाँ पे, it is +2. Similarly, if I take the charge on Cd2 plus, okay, cadmium, then there also the charge is +2. So the charge remains the same. Now let us see what is size. Size means the radius of the ion, copper ion या cadmium ion के size जो है. So ionic radius of Cu2 plus, that is found to be 69 picometer. How much? 69 picometer. The ionic radius of cadmium is found to be 97 picometer. तो हम लोगों को कुछ concepts clear हो गए. Charge का मतलब है जो ion के ऊपर जो भी charge होगा. So if it's +2, it's +2. And then the radius of that particular ion. So ionic radius of Cu2 plus is 69 picometer and ionic radius of cadmium is 97 picometer. Cadmium 2 plus का, हाँ? Cadmium का नहीं, cadmium ion का ionic radius is 97 picometer. अब charge to size यानी charge to radius. Charge divided by radius. Okay? तो charge to size ratio of Cu2 plus क्या होगा? Cu2 plus का charge +2 है. That you divide by the picometer, the ionic radius. Okay, so 2 by 69. Ionic radius of Cu2 plus is 69 and charge is +2. The charge to size ratio, ratio का मतलब divide. तो charge ऊपर और radius नीचे, so that is charge to size ratio of copper. Similar, copper 2 plus. Similarly, charge to size ratio of cadmium 2 plus क्या होगा? 2/97. अब आपको ये डिसाइड करना है कि इसमें बड़ा कौन सा है, Cu2 plus वाला या Cd2 plus वाला. तो हमेशा याद रखना कि डिनोमिनेटर जितना छोटा है द आंसर विल बी बिगर. आपको पता ही है ना, 1/2 और 1/4. हाफ और क्वार्टर में बड़ा कौन सा है? हाफ बड़ा है ना. सिमिलरली जितना डिनोमिनेटर छोटा उतना बड़ा आंसर. सो 2/69 जो है that is a bigger answer as compared to 2/97. Okay, 2/69 से बड़ा कौन सा है? Sorry, 2/69 बड़ा है 2/97. I'm sorry, 2/69 is greater than 2/97. So which will be bigger? Cu2 plus will be bigger than Cd2 plus. The charge to size ratio we are talking, हम उसका ionic radius की बात नहीं करें. Charge to size ratio का ratio किसका बड़ा है, कॉपर का या कैडमियम का? Charge to size ratio कॉपर का बड़ा है as compared to cadmium 2 plus का. So charge to size ratio of Cu2 plus is bigger than that of Cd2 plus. Charge to size ratio of Cu2 plus is greater than Cd2 plus. Therefore Cu2 plus forms more stable complexes than Cd2 plus. तो stability कैसे decide करने का? जिसका charge to size ratio बड़ा है उसका complex ज़्यादा stable है. So what you decide is the one who has more charge to size ratio, that will form a more stable complex. Okay. So we have a stability order for divalent metal ion complexes. यानी हम क्या करते हैं, हम ये सारे metal लेते हैं, manganese, iron, copper, nickel, copper, zinc. मैंगनीज, आयन, कोबाल्ट मैंने गलती से शायद कॉपर बोला, कोबाल्ट, निकल, कॉपर, जिंक, इन सब का डाइवेलेंट यानी +2. ओके, सो मैंगनीज +2, Fe +2, CO +2, निकल +2, कॉपर +2, जिंक नहीं लेते हैं हम. ये सब का हम स्टेबिलिटी ऑर्डर जब चेक करेंगे, we will find that Cu2 plus is more stable than Ni2 plus, then more stable than CO2 plus, more stable than Fe2 plus, more stable than Mn plus 2. तो ये है उसका ऑर्डर. ओके, कॉपर 2 प्लस, डाइवेलेंट 2 प्लस, निकल 2 प्लस, डाइवेलेंट का मतलब 2 प्लस है, then covalent cobalt 2 plus, then iron 2 plus, manganese 2 plus, और यहाँ cadmium से compare किया, cadmium 2 plus, because we already compared cadmium. So this particular order is followed for the stability of divalent metal ions of the 3D series. ओके, कॉपर, निकल, कोबाल्ट, Fe, Mn, Cd, इनका डाइवेलेंट आयन का स्टेबिलिटी ऑर्डर है और ये ऑर्डर को एक नाम है, इट इज नोन एज द इरविंग विलियम ऑर्डर, द इरविंग विलियम ऑर्डर. ओके, दिस गिवन स्टेबिलिटी दैट इज Cu2 plus greater than Ni2 plus greater than CO2 plus greater than Fe2 plus greater than Mn2 plus greater than Cd2 plus is known as the Irving William order. So I hope you understood कि charge to size ratio क्या है. Okay, so that is one factor which governs the stability of complexes, metal ion complex. Okay, next जो है nature of the ligand है. अब nature of the ligand का क्या मतलब है? यहाँ first of all ligand जो है they are Lewis bases, ये तो हमको पता है, और उसका basicity ही determine करता है stability of the complex. More basic will be leading to more stable complex. Okay, basicity of the ligand. Basicity means ability to donate electron. लुइस बेस का मीनिंग ही है कि स्पीशी डोनेटिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन. लिगेंड लुइस बेस ही होता है. ओके, लिगेंड्स आर लुइस बेस, दे डोनेट इलेक्ट्रॉन. वो and the basicity determines the stability of the complex. So species we can donate electrons easily is a stronger base. ओके, जो क्योंकि बेस यानी सारे ही डोनेट करने वाले हैं, लेकिन उसमें जो बहुत जल्दी डोनेट कर देगा विच कैन डोनेट इजीली इज अ स्ट्रॉन्गर बेस, द अदर वन इज अ वीकर लुइस बेस. So stronger the base, more stable will be the complex. So this is the second condition. जितना strong base है आपका उतना stable होगा आपका complex. So let us see. You look here. I have written that Cn minus. Okay, the cyano group is a stronger Lewis base than NH3. So which will form a stabler complex? जिसमें Cn है वो ज़्यादा stable complex होगा compared to NH3. So we find that AgCN2 minus is more stable than AgNH3 twice plus. इसमें Cn है, इसमें NH3 है. कौन सा stronger base है? Cn है. And therefore what happens is this will be a more stable complex. This will be slightly less stable than this one. Okay, ये एक क्वेश्चन आपके बुक में है. यूज योर ब्रेन पावर. द स्टेबिलिटी कांस्टेंट के स्टेबिलिटी कांस्टेंट of AgCN2 minus is 5.5 into 10 raised to 18, while that for the corresponding AgNH3 twice plus is 1.6 into 10 raised to 7. Explain why AgCN2 2 minus, यहाँ 2 minus दिया है. I have not checked the step. No, it should be minus is more stable. Explain why AgCN2 minus is more stable. The reason is obviously Cn minus is a stronger Lewis base as compared to NH3. So it is more stable. Okay, I hope you understood. Relatively very easy topic. Two reasons why complexes are stable or which complexes are stable. So you learn both the factors governing the stability. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.